So we have a V40 down there with side marker lamps, W5W, but I'm not sure, but the amber ones, they just seem to burn out and lose their color, so I'm gonna change them to LEDs because they don't get as hot and should probably last a long time as well.
So why would you want to do this small little upgrade of the bulbs? I would say it's a great choice if you don't want to like change bulbs often, because these smaller incandescent bulbs, they tend to burn out after a few hundred hours, and that can make you fail like an MOT or like a test inspection on your car, or you could also get ticketed by the police. And in this bulb here we are changing the side mark lamp, so they are orange anyway. But if you were to like replace let's say the parking light in the front, or like license plate lights, I also think the LEDs looks much better and gives your car a much more modern look to it. These bulbs are not road legal, and OSRAM says that you should only use them for indoor use or inside of the cars, but they are not road legal. The thickness of them is somewhat the same as the incandescent bulb, so you don't really will be able to tell a difference. So as long as you are running a good bulb like this with specifications almost like the incandescent bulb, I don't think anybody will notice ever. Of course, if you were to have like a blue where you're gonna have a whitish yellowish light, somebody will see it, or if it's just 10 times stronger, you will be stopped. But yeah. And in this case here, I also foil color on the bulb, look very nice, and this car now will have side mark lamps that won't burn out as long as this car is alive, I would guess, since the quality of these bulbs are very high.